Alright guys, I just got everything back together in this joker. So I'm putting that booster in. It was a little bit easier getting stuff back together than it was to get it apart. But anyway, I thought I'd give y'all this video, first drive since the flywheel and booster, and we're gonna go down to my grandmother's and leave it and pick up my diesel truck. So
Heritage for the Blind.
Well, the radio works. Get rid of that bulb so no more check engine light. I hadn't really had this thing up. Wee. Ain't got no brakes. This damn pedal's stiff as a board. I have to adjust my little pointer. I might have a brake booster going bad. Golly. This brake pedal is stiff as a board. I'm just sliding that rear tire back there. Mercy. I'm about half afraid to drive this thing. I may have to make sure I got some power steering. I ain't got no. By God, it worked then. See if it went to working then. Yeah, that pedal's a whole lot better now. I wonder if that thing had set up and got hard in there. Well, that feels a lot better. Ooh, that thing got some back brakes. I don't know about front brakes. Them back ones will lock up on you. Well, I gotta get some fuel. Now, I do have a rear seal leaking on the passenger side rear, and so them brakes probably ain't working worth a damn. Sounds good. Oh, and back brakes won't lock up on me. I have to watch that. I have to do some adjustment. So we're gonna park this one and pick up this one. I looked at the master cylinder when I pulled it out, and it does look like it might need replacing too. But I ain't got no time, I ain't got no money, and it'll do what I need to do. So anyway, we're good there. Yeah, maybe I'll drop my daggum keys. Maybe I'll have a chance to work on this one. This one I still got an issue with my glow plug switch. Oh, it sounds good there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See if it does any good. Nope. lamp. Still got to work on my glow plug switch. So right now we'll do it this way. I don't know if this solenoid's going bad or what. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That'll work. Over the smoke, smoke. Blow by. Not too bad when it's cold anyway. So on this one I've got to adjust the clutch because I ain't got but about 1 inch of damn clutch on it. Have to go all the way to the damn floor with it. Finger out of the way. And I gotta fix these lights in this dash since I've gotten good experience today of pulling these damn instrument panels and shit out. Shouldn't be that big a hard deal. There. This thing don't turn with shit to the left. Watch out, Gate. Man, I'm about out of fuel. I don't know if y'all watched that Corvair Wilds video where he's going down the road showing how that transmission shifted and his damn temperature gauge is pegged out for like 20 minutes. That is something to see. I got to move this stuff out of my way. I was watching that first time he showed the instrument panel, and I said, damn it, temperature gauge is pegged out. And I put it on pause and I showed my wife on my little iPad. I said, what do you see wrong in this picture? And she looked at it and said, finally she said, temperature gauge pegged out. I said, yep. But he kept driving that thing and stopping and redlining it and everything. And finally, after about 20 minutes, he noticed it was damn pegged out, and he stopped and checked it, and then he got back to the store and had to put like 3 buckets of water in that thing. It didn't have any water in it. So I hope it didn't do much damage to it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna park this thing about right here, and I'll probably pull it up on these ramps, get ready to work on the clutch. So until next time, thanks for watching, and please comment and rate.